Hello Odooers, welcome to our Odoo technical session. Myself Dipanshu from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. Today I am going to teach you how to use Percentpie Widget in Odoo. So don't waste the time and let's start now. So the Percentpie Widget in Odoo is used to display a graphical representation of a percentage value as a pie chart. And this widget can be particularly useful for visualizing completion rate, progress, or any other metric that can be represented as a percentage. So let's understand by the example. So first of all, we have to define new field, and this field is typically a float field. So into the object mole.soap, I define new field rate, and this is a float field. I give the string value discount in the bracket rate, and I set the default value 90. Now we have to put this rate field into the form view of mole.soap object. So this is the form view of mole.soap object, and here I define rate field. So now into the browser, you can see this is the soap menu of mole.soap object. I click on the new button, and you can see before using the widget Percentpie, the rate field is displayed like this. This is the 90 that we set default value. So now we write widget Percentpie into this rate field. So now restart the server and let's move to the browser. So refresh this page. Again click on this new button. So here you can see by using the widget Percentpie, this rate field is displayed like this. So this is how the widget Percentpie can be used in Odoo. If you have any doubts, questions, so let's write into the comment section. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for watching our video. Let's meet into the next session.